Welcome back to the 28 Days of Blackness. My name is Tiffany McQueary and I'm representing the Jersey City Free Public Library. Today, we explore a powerful and enduring tradition born out of the post-Civil War era: family reunions. Join me as we dive into the history and the significance behind reunions in the African American experience. In the aftermath of slavery, the disruption of families was very painful. Families were torn apart and the lack of information about whereabouts of loved ones haunted many. Yet, from very challenging backdrops, this emerged the family reunion. Slavery's legacy resulted in forced separation of families. Husbands, wives, parents, all separated. Children sold off to different parts of the state, without consideration of bonds that might have held them together. After emancipation, many freed individuals faced the daunting challenge of not having the information about the whereabouts of their families. The scars of slavery lingered, but the search for family offered a glimmer of hope. Freed individuals embarked on the arduous task of searching for family. Community networks, word of mouth, and later written correspondence became crucial tools in the quest to reunite loved ones. Recognizing the importance of reconnection, individuals took the initiative to organize family reunions. These gatherings became the beacon of hope, providing a space for dispersed family members to come together once again. As time passed, the process for searching for family members evolved. Documentation, records, including church records, census data, genealogical research became instrumental in tracing and locating family members. Individuals who had endured the trauma of slavery were able to be reunited, share stories, and rebuild relationships. Family reunions born out of adversity have become a lasting cultural tradition celebrated annually by many African American families. These reunions serve as a powerful reminder of the resilience, strength, and the enduring importance of family connections in the face of historical challenges. As we reflect on the profound impact of family reunions in the healing of the scars of slavery, we recognize the enduring strength of the African American spirit. When I first started working at the library, I was able to find information on my own family. They have this great resource called the New Jersey Room, and I looked up my great-grandfather, and I was able to find out that he worked right here in Jersey City for the railroad until he retired, and I found his obituary and everything. And it was a great opportunity for me because I had other than his name, I knew nothing about him. I knew nothing about his history. I still don't know, if he was born in Jersey City or not, but I do know that he worked on the railroad and I worked right at Lackawanna. So for me, that was nice to be able to have that little piece of history. And I just celebrated my own family reunion, as you can see with this t-shirt here. It was nice to connect my family, and we try to have it every so often, but it's been a while since COVID. But people from all over got back together and we just had a good time. To check out more about the Jersey City Free Public Library, please visit our website at www.jclibrary.org. Also, if you'd like to learn more about the I Love Greenville Community Partnership, please visit our website at ilovegreenvillenj.org. Join us next time as we continue to uncover the untold stories that shape the 28 Days of Blackness. I am Tiffany McQueary, and thank you for being with us today.